Welcome back to Maximum Cultivator, where we grow knowledge and crops together. If you've already started growing plants hydroponically at home and are now dreaming of turning that small setup into a full-scale commercial hydroponic farm, this video is exactly for you. Today we'll take you step by step from a simple home hydroponic unit to a sustainable, profitable commercial farm. So grab your notebook, because this guide might just be the roadmap to your hydroponic success. When you start at home, hydroponics is more of an experiment. Maybe a few leafy greens, herbs, or tomatoes. But scaling up means turning it into a business model, where consistency, yield, and profit all matter. The biggest difference between home and commercial farming is scale and system management. At home, you can manually check pH, adjust nutrients, or harvest by hand. In commercial farming, you need automation, data tracking, and efficiency. With clear two-line statement overlaid. Before expanding, assess your readiness. Ask yourself these key questions. Are you confident in managing hydroponic systems manually? Have you achieved consistent yields at home? Do you understand nutrient balancing, pest control, and lighting cycles? If your answer is yes, you're ready to move forward. If not, don't worry. You can always learn through online resources like our Modern Hydroponic course by Maximum Cultivator, which gives you complete practical knowledge to move ahead confidently. Scaling isn't just about adding more plants, it's about designing a smart, efficient system. Here's how to plan your commercial hydroponic farm step by step. Decide which crops to grow based on local demand, market price, and growing conditions. For beginners, leafy greens, herbs, and lettuce are ideal. Later, you can add vine crops like tomatoes, bell peppers, and cucumbers. Choose a system that matches your crop type. NFT system for leafy greens, Dutch bucket, or DWC for fruiting crops. Vertical towers for limited space. Aeroponics for advanced setups. Find a location with access to clean water, electricity, and easy transport. A greenhouse or polyhouse is best for commercial level production. Invest in good infrastructure early. It saves you from huge losses later. Displayed over subtle greenhouse background. As you scale up, automation becomes essential. You can't manually monitor hundreds of plants. Use automated systems for nutrient dosing, EC and pH controllers, automated irrigation timers, climate control, fans, misting and cooling pads, smart sensors for humidity and temperature monitoring. This is where your farm becomes a true controlled environment agriculture, CEA system, ensuring consistent production all year round. Serving as backdrop for a short takeaway graphic. Commercial farming needs precise control over inputs. Use commercial-grade nutrient mixes or prepare your own stock solutions. Monitor EC and pH regularly using meters. Consistency is key. If growing indoors, invest in LED grow lights. They're efficient and produce optimal power values for growth. Use filtered or RO water to maintain purity. Remember, clean water. Healthy plants. Let's talk about the business side. The initial investment depends on your setup size, but here's a quick breakdown for a 1000 SQFT polyhouse farm. Setup cost, R6-8 lakhs. Monthly operational cost, R25,000, R40,000 monthly. Yield, 400-600 kilos of leafy greens. Average selling price, R150-200 kilograms. ROI, within 12 to 18 months. You can increase profits by selling directly to restaurants, supermarkets, or through online subscription models. To grow further, you can scale in 3 ways. Horizontal scaling. Expand your area and production capacity. Vertical scaling. Add vertical racks to increase yield in the same space. Technological scaling. Use IoT, AI, and cloud monitoring for smart farming. The future of hydroponics is data-driven. Farmers who adopt automation and analytics will always stay ahead. Even with great produce, marketing decides your success. Build a strong brand identity for your hydroponic produce. Highlight keywords like chemical-free, locally grown, and freshly harvested. Leverage Instagram, YouTube, and farmers' markets to showcase your produce. Storytelling sells. Show how your crops are grown sustainably. Never stop learning. The hydroponic industry is evolving fast. New techniques, new systems, new crops. Join online farmer communities, attend hydroponic workshops, and keep experimenting. If you want structured learning, check out the Modern Hydroponic course by Maximum Cultivator. It's designed to help you build and scale your own profitable hydroponic farm, step by step. So that's your complete guide to scaling from home hydroponics to commercial farming. Remember, start small, learn well, and scale smartly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow growers, and don't forget to subscribe to Maximum Cultivator for more hydroponic insights every week. Grow smart, grow hydroponic, grow with Maximum Cultivator.